Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up parental controls on your child's Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus device. So, firstly, we need to open Settings application and remove all Google accounts from child's phone. So, scroll down, find Accounts and Sync, find here Google account you want to remove, click More, Remove Account and Remove Account. Click OK, confirm child's pattern, and cool. Now we need to add child's Google account, but you need to create for the child an account with a password that only you will know, or just ask the child to change the password. Because if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of the family link. So log in into child's account, click Add Account, Google, log in into the child's account with the password that only you will know. So enter child's email, and the child's password, click Next, wait a while, you can turn on or don't turn on Google Backups, click I agree, wait a while, click Accept, cool. Now go back to the settings menu, find Google, click on it, scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Click Get Started, Child or Teenager. Click Next. Sorry, try again. Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager. Next. Wait a while. Select child's Google account. And cool, now you need to link child's account to your account, to parent's Google account. So now you need to log in into your parent's account to link child account to your account. So enter email, enter password, click Next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click Agree, allow supervision, click Next, go back, and here you can choose these apps come with this phone. You can remove the ones that you don't want to UTB to use. You will be able to see UTB app activity and family link. So cool. Here you can choose you can choose the apps to block or to unlock. For example, if here will be blue button, enable button, so child's can be used AliExpress. So I will unlock all apps for the child. Unlock all and click Next. Wait a while. Click Next. Install family link on your account and cool. Fine. So now we need to install a Google Family Link application on the child's phone, on your own parent's phone. Oh, I'm so sorry. So install Family Link, find in Google Play or on App Store, find Family Link and install it. Wait a while. Click Open. Wait a while, scroll down, click Get Started, and choose Linked Account here. Wow. Looks bad. So now scroll down on your device, on parent's device. Just scroll down and choose View All Apps. And choose apps to unlock. So I need to choose camera, for example. What I have blocked? Downloads, oh my gosh. File manager, Fortnite, Gmail, games, Google Assistant, calendar, Google Chrome, Google Duo, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Pay, Microsoft Outlook, OneDrive, and cool, that's it. So here, as you can see, we can control child's device, we can block separate applications, we can unlock applications. So we can block his phone, we can block or unlock TikTok, as you can see. TikTok, yeah, we have it. Or lock TikTok. I want to block TikTok on the child's device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and good. See you. Bye.